We're counting down the 9 most reliable Audi cars to drive forever. From the Velvet Hammer that delivers supercar performance without supercar problems, to the executive tank built like a fortress, to the benchmark that mechanics actually recommend. These aren't just opinions, folks. These are proven warriors with hundreds of thousands of miles under their belts. Kicking off our list at number 9 is a car that proves you don't need a V8 to make serious power. Meet the 2017 to 2020 Audi RS3, nicknamed the 5-pot firecracker. This pocket rocket packs a 2.5-liter inline-five turbocharged engine that cranks out 401 horsepower and 354 pound-feet of torque. That's right, 5 cylinders. Not 4, not 6, but 5. It's like Audi's engineers decided to be different just because they could, and you know what? It worked brilliantly. This DAZA engine code power plant is so overbuilt, it laughs at racking up miles like it's just getting warmed up. Many owners report pushing past 200,000 miles while still launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. The secret sauce? Audi built this engine to handle way more power than it produces stock. We're talking forged internals, robust cooling systems, and a turbocharger that's practically bulletproof when maintained properly. But here's what makes the RS3 special for you long-term owners. Unlike its exotic cousins, this car is one you can actually drive daily. You can take it to the grocery store, pick up the kids from school, and still embarrass Mustangs at the stoplight. The maintenance? Change your oil every 5,000 miles with quality synthetic. Keep that direct shift gearbox DSG transmission fluid fresh. Watch your intercooler health. Do that and this 5-cylinder symphony will keep singing for decades. Fun fact, the RS3's 5-cylinder engine shares its DNA with the legendary Audi Quattro rally cars from the 1980s. You're basically driving a piece of motorsport history that happens to have heated seats and Apple CarPlay. But if you want something with even more presence, something that turns heads at the country club while secretly packing 560 horsepower, wait until you hear about our next pick, the Velvet Hammer. Coming in at number 8 is the 2016 to 2018 Audi RS7, nicknamed the Velvet Hammer. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. A 4-door coupe that looks like it belongs in a boardroom, but performs like it belongs on the Nürburgring. Under that sculpted hood sits a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 pumping out 560 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. This EA825 family engine is a masterpiece of German over-engineering. Now, you might be thinking, a high-performance twin-turbo V8 that's reliable? Yeah, right. But here's the thing, the 2017 model year specifically has one of the lowest complaint rates of any RS model ever made, according to National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA data. Fans even singled it out as one of the most reliable RS cars Audi has ever built. The key to the RS7's longevity is surprisingly simple. Those twin turbos, they're not pushed to the ragged edge like in some competitors. Audi left plenty of headroom in the design, but you've got to respect the beast. Change that oil religiously every 5,000 miles. Let it warm up properly before you unleash those horses. Cool it down after hard drives. And here's the critical one. Inspect those turbo oil screens. Early models had issues with clogged screens, but by 2017, most of these problems were sorted. One owner reported hitting 160,000 miles on his 2017 RS7 with nothing more than regular maintenance. He daily drove it through Michigan winters, took it to track days in the summer, and it never missed a beat. That's the beauty of the Velvet Hammer. It delivers supercar performance in a package you can actually live with. Speaking of living with performance, our next car is so understated, most people won't even know you're driving something special until you blow their doors off. Number 7 brings us the ultimate sleeper, the 2013 to 2016 Audi S4B 8.5 generation. This is the car for those of you who want serious performance without the look-at-me styling. The heart of this beast is the 3-liter supercharged V6, coded EA837, producing between 333 and 349 horsepower with 325 to 369 pound-feet of torque. Supercharged, not turbocharged. That means instant power delivery, no turbo lag, just pure linear acceleration. What makes the B8.5 S4 so bulletproof? That supercharged V6 is essentially the same engine that powered everything from the Q7 to the A6, meaning Audi had years to perfect it. By the time it hit the B8.5 S4, all the bugs were worked out. These engines routinely hit 180,000 to 240,000 miles without major issues. The supercharger belt needs replacing around 80,000 miles, and you'll want to service that DSG or ZF8 transmission every 35,000 to 40,000 miles. But that's it. No timing chain nightmares, no carbon buildup disasters, just solid, dependable performance. Enthusiasts called the B8.5 S4 the last of the reliable performance Audis. They weren't wrong. Here's the kicker. Because the S4 looks almost identical to a regular A4, other drivers often don't realize what you're driving. You get supercar hunting performance with executive sedan looks. But if you need something more practical, something that can handle the urban jungle while still wearing that Quattro badge with pride, you'll love what's coming next. At number 6, we've got the Audi Q3, or what we call the City Quattro. This compact SUV is perfect for those of you navigating tight parking garages and narrow city streets, but still want that Audi luxury and all-wheel drive confidence. The 8U model from the 2017 year and the 2020 to 2023 F3 generation are the sweet spots. Under the bonnet, you'll find the proven 2-liter turbocharged 3rd-generation EA 888 engine, producing between 200 and 228 horsepower. Not earth-shattering numbers, but remember, this engine is found in everything from Volkswagen GTIs to Audi A4s. It's been refined over millions of miles across multiple brands. J.D. Power gave the 2017 Q3 a 77 out of 100 reliability score, which might not sound amazing until you realize that's better than the BMW X1 and Mercedes GLA from the same year. The Q3 can easily hit 190,000 to 250,000 miles with proper care. Watch for early sensor glitches and multimedia interface (MMI) quirks, but these are usually software fixes, not wallet-draining hardware failures. Keep your fluids fresh, clean those sunroof drains, and stay on top of software updates. The real beauty of the Q3, it's simple. No air suspension to fail, no complex hybrid systems, just a straightforward, reliable powertrain wrapped in a practical package. One owner in Colorado put 180,000 miles on their 2017 Q3, using it for everything from ski trips to Home Depot runs. Their biggest expense? Tires. That's it. Now, if you want something with more style, something that turns heads while still being surprisingly practical, our next 2 entries share the same iconic nameplate, but offer very different flavors. Number 5 is actually a tie between 2 versions of the same legend. First up, the 2015 to 2020 Audi TT 8S generation, the style icon. This isn't just a pretty face. That 2-liter turbocharged 3rd-generation EA 888 engine pushing out 220 to 228 horsepower is the same bulletproof unit we've been praising throughout this list. But here's what's remarkable. According to the data analyzed, the TT has unusually high longevity for a sports car. They found a higher percentage of TTs over 150,000 miles still on the road compared to other sports cars in its class. The 2018 model year specifically was rated as one of the most reliable Audis ever. These cars routinely hit 200,000 to 260,000 miles. The secret? That Haldex all-wheel drive system. Service it every 30,000 to 40,000 miles, and it'll outlast most marriages. But wait, there's more. For you diesel enthusiasts, there's the TT 2.0 TDI, also nicknamed the Frugal Icon. Available in both the 8J from 2008 to 2014 with the 2-liter TICR diesel inline-4 and the 8S from 2015 to 2018 with the 2-liter coupe EA 288 TDI inline-4, this diesel burner delivers 184 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque while sipping fuel like a Prius. UK buyers specifically chose the Audi TT TDI for its combination of style and 50-plus miles per gallon economy. Sure, you'll need to watch that dual-mass flywheel and keep the diesel particulate filter, DPF, happy with regular highway runs. But do that and you've got a sports car that's both thrilling and thrifty. One owner in Germany racked up 240,000 miles on his 2016 TT TDI, averaging 48 miles per gallon over its lifetime. That's sports car looks with economy car running costs. Speaking of economy, our next entry proves you don't need to spend big to get Audi reliability. Coming in at number 4, we have another dynamic duo, the Audi A3, available as both the compact ace with petrol power and the frugal ace with diesel efficiency. The 2016 to 2019 8V generation A3 is where you want to focus your attention. With the petrol 2-liter turbocharged 3rd-generation EA 888 engine producing up to 220 horsepower, this car earned a remarkable 93.6% reliability score in automotive ratings. That's not just good for an Audi, that's good. Period. These engines laugh at 200,000 miles and keep asking for more. Some have pushed past 260,000 miles with nothing more than regular maintenance. The key? This generation had all the oil consumption issues of earlier models fixed. Change your oil every 5,000 miles. Service that Haldex system if you've got Quattro, and keep an eye on the PCV valve and thermostat. That's your entire worry list. For diesel fans, the A3 2.0 TDI with its EA288 engine is even more impressive. Available from 150 to 190 horsepower, these engines deliver up to 295 pound-feet of torque while returning 50-plus miles per gallon on the highway. UK reliability guides consistently list the A3 2.0 TDI among their top picks. Just keep up with 10,000-mile oil changes, ensure those DPF regenerations happen, and if you've got the Quattro version, don't neglect that Haldex service. One owner from Toronto put 250,000 miles on his 2017 A3 2.0 TDI, using it for his daily 100-mile commute. His fuel savings alone paid for the car twice over. But if you need more space, more presence, and executive-level comfort that can eat up highway miles like a freight train, our next picks take everything great about German engineering and supersize it. Number 3 showcases Audi's mastery of the executive sedan with 2 variants that define long-distance luxury. First, the A6 Avant 3.0 TDI from 2011 to 2018, the long-haul exec. This wagon isn't just practical, it's practically indestructible. That 3-liter V6 diesel comes in 3 flavors, 204, 245, or 272 horsepower, with the top version delivering a massive 443 pound-feet of torque. UK reliability guides specifically highlight this engine as a sweet spot for durability. These diesels routinely cruise past 220,000 miles, with many documented cases exceeding 300,000 miles. The secret is that massive torque means the engine never works hard. It's like having a Clydesdale pull a shopping cart. Then there's the petrol-powered A6 C7 generation from 2014 to 2018, the executive tank. With either the Gen 3 EA888 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder or the magnificent 3-liter supercharged V6 producing up to 340 horsepower, this sedan combines bank vault build quality with surprising reliability. The 2017 A6 ranked among one of the highest-rated Audis ever, and mechanics call it a mini flagship without flagship costs. The supercharged V6 is particularly bulletproof. No turbo lag, no complex twin-turbo plumbing, just instant, linear power delivery through a proven ZF 8-speed automatic. Service that supercharger belt, keep up with cooling system maintenance, and these engines will outlast most everything else on the car. One executive from Detroit logged 280,000 miles on his 2016 A6 3.0T, using it for cross-country business trips. His only major expense? A set of air suspension struts at 200,000 miles. For a car this sophisticated, that's remarkable. But if you want the perfect balance of everything, practicality, reliability, luxury, and that coveted Quattro all-wheel drive, our runner-up is what you'll need. Taking the silver medal is the Audi Q5, specifically the 2017 late 8R and 2019 early 80A models. This is the sweet spot SUV that hits every target dead center. These model years represent Audi getting everything right. The 2-liter turbocharged EA888 Gen 3 engine had all its early issues sorted. The electronics were mature and debugged. The build quality was at its peak. With 252 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque, you've got plenty of power for merging, towing, or climbing mountain passes. But the real story is longevity. These Q5s routinely hit 220,000 to 300,000 miles. An auto shop which specializes in high-mileage German cars calls the Q5 Audi's bestseller for a reason. Multiple different reliability sources ranked it in their top picks. The Q5 is also available with the proven 3-liter supercharged V6 producing up to 354 horsepower. And for our European friends, there's the 3.0 TDI diesel with up to 272 horsepower and 443 pound-feet of torque. All 3 powertrains have proven themselves over millions of collective miles. The maintenance is straightforward. Clean those panoramic sunroof drains to prevent water damage. Service the S-Tronic or ZF8 transmission fluids on schedule. Watch the PCV valve and thermostat like we've mentioned before. That's your entire checklist for immortality. One family from Vermont put 290,000 miles on their 2017 Q5, using it for everything from daily commutes to towing their boat every summer weekend. It never left them stranded, not once. So before we crown our champion, let's recap what we've covered. From the 5-pot Firecracker RS3 that brings rally heritage to your daily commute, to the Velvet Hammer RS7 that delivers supercar thrills without supercar bills, the sleeper S4 that embarrasses cars twice its price, the City Quattro Q3 perfect for urban adventures, the Style Icon TT that proves sports cars can be reliable, the compact Ace A3 with its bulletproof simplicity, the executive tank A6 built like a fortress, and the sweet spot Q5 that does everything right. But there's one Audi that stands above them all, one that mechanics most recommend, one that defines what German engineering should be. And our number one pick, the absolute king of reliable Audis, is the A4, specifically the B9 generation from 2016 to 2020, and the later B8 models from 2013 to 2016. This is the benchmark, the car every other Audi is measured against. 9 independent sources ranked the A4 as the most reliable Audi you can buy. Motorists rated the 2018 A4 as their number one pick and calls it the best used Audi balance of cost and reliability. The numbers back it up, but these A4s routinely hit 220,000 to 300,000 miles without breaking a sweat. The 2-liter turbocharged EA 888 Gen 3 engine producing 252 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque had all the early oil consumption issues completely solved by this generation. The MI electronics were refined and reliable. The ZF 8-speed automatic transmission is virtually bulletproof with proper fluid changes. But here's why the A4 is truly special. It shares its parts with so many other Volkswagen Group vehicles that every mechanic knows how to work on it. Parts are plentiful and affordable. The maintenance is predictable. Change your oil every 5,000 to 8,000 miles. Watch that PCV valve and thermostat housing. Clean the carbon from the direct injection valves around 60,000 to 80,000 miles. Service the transmission fluid. That's it. You've just bought yourself a car that could literally last forever. One owner from California documented 340,000 miles on his 2017 A4 Quattro. He used it for his real estate business, driving clients around, showing properties, commuting daily. His total non-maintenance repairs over 7 years, 1 thermostat housing and a PCV valve, less than $800 in unexpected repairs over 340,000 miles. The A4 isn't just reliable, it's the gold standard. The car that proves German engineering doesn't have to mean German repair bills. It's comfortable enough for executives, sporty enough for enthusiasts, and practical enough for families. Those are the 9 Audis that laugh in the face of planned obsolescence. Cars that with proper maintenance will outlive your mortgage, your kids' college years, and probably you. Remember, even the best cars need love. Use quality synthetic oil for the engine, stick to the maintenance schedule, and address small issues before they become big problems. Do that, and any of these Audis will reward you with hundreds of thousands of reliable miles. This is Tom from Seats and Wheels. Thanks for watching.